of my channel design a meta look, meta write-up. Very distinct. Go to shape as usual size. YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Go here, get your background. That's first time. Let's try this. Okay. This is what we have. Now let's get a splash look. Let's get this, copy it. Reduce the size. Okay. Let's take back off. Good. Now let's type. Let's type. I'll go here, up text. Double click and non type. Design habits. Design habits. Okay. Increase it. Get your font. Scroll down, find a nice font. Click on this. Okay. Extend this. This is it. Now let's add a background on it. Go here, texture background. Click here. Get that same background. Okay. Apply stroke now. Apply stroke. Okay. Trust it. Trust it. Now merge your work. This is what you have. Okay, now as you can see, you have reached to this level. What next? Let's go to erase color. Erase color. Erase color, click on it. Let's just try it. Increase your tolerance a little bit. Now I click on OK. Do you understand this level? You go here. Let's get this background. Let's increase the size. What size? New size. Is it? Advance it well. Go here. Drag it under. See. Now, what next? Go to stroke. Go to stroke. Just go to stroke. Enable stroke. Increase. Visit a little bit. So they don't increase it that much. You understand? Click on OK, go to shadow. And go shadow. Give it a little bit. Toughness. Now let's go to inner shadow. Enable. Decrease this one. Then scroll down. Let's go to 3D and see what we got. It's too thick. You reduce this one to 0 to 1 side. Scroll down, leave all this place. And press this. Scroll down. Density. Visit shadow. Calculation. That's okay. This is what we have. But the funny thing is that if you still want to change this inner one, I'll still click on this. Go to this place, the one there. Select this one and press it. This one. Press it. So this one is that one and the one on top. So let's just replace it and see what we got. So I'll bring this one. How this one looks like. So plastic. Let's just save it. Opera. See. This is what we have. So guys, don't forget to like and follow and share. More updates, subscribe. Thank you and God bless.